Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another tournament video. Haven't done one of these in a long time, but it is November 9th. Me and Redbeard Ryan are fishing a channel cat tournament called the Turkey Bowl. The rules are 5 fish of any size. We have from 7 o'clock to 3 o'clock to fish. It is a winner takes all tournament. There's no first, second, third, fourth place. My predictions is 40 pounds is gonna win it. I'm excited to see what happens. For me, my personal goal is just to place in the top 3. I really want to get a limit and be able to call some fish out, but we'll see what happens. We'll see how the bite is. See you on the water.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, that's a big female, dude. Oh, my God.
All right, we got 54 minutes to our launch. We're with Redbeard, and we are about to hopefully put a herd on some channel cats. We need 5 good ones. So we will see you on the water. Well, I gotta go into Walmart because we don't have a boat plug. Yeah, so that's gonna shave another half hour off our fishing time. I'm gonna go in this Walmart and get a boat plug and hopefully we can catch them. Make a grown man cry right there.
Let's get it, buddy.
Oh my God.
Are we ready now?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right.
You gotta give him it. You gotta reel. All right, keep him on there. Keep him on there. It's a good one. Yeah, come on, baby.
Ready?
Got him. Yeah.
Oh, yes. First one. Decent fish, too, buddy. Oh, my gosh.
Here we go. There's Ryan's first fish. He's not a bad one. Look at those things. Those are good fish up here. All right, cut shad. We got to come up with a limit. It's 9 o'clock. 9:30. We got to come up with a limit here. Okay. He's not coming easy. Don't fight now. Don't fight now. That's a really nice one. Eat all day.
Heck yeah, buddy. He's got a really nice marble on it. You see that?
Look how I got him, guys. Look how I got him.
Holy cow.
Don't go in.
Get him out there.
Alright, I got you, buddy. Oh my God, look how fat he is,
It's a good fish, dude. Good fish.
Okay, come here. I love you. Thank you, buddy. Go eat the other one.
That a boy, John. That a boy.
It's a pike. It's a pike.
For real?
I'm just kidding.
Not probably the smallest one yet, but that's all right. We can take them all. Look at, they got really nice marble in them here. In the box, John?
All right, we're gonna do a quick update here. It is 10:20. We have 3 fish in the boat. It has been super tough, but we have some pretty good fish in the boat. I don't know the weight. We haven't weighed anything, but we're gonna try to get 2 more and get our limit, and hopefully we can do that soon.
We had a rough start this morning. Had the boat plug, late start, waiting for a celebrity to get to the launch, and I don't know if he ever got there, but finally getting him in the boat now, though, so hopefully it'll turn around on us. Trying to find a spot, right, John? What do we find here?
Birds. Tons of them.
There's a little bird still on us.
He's on there. Good. Wow, I got lucky. Thank you, God. Thank you. How did I get that fish?
I don't know.
Good fish, too.
I think it was that one hit that he hit it really good. It probably hooked himself really good.
Good one, good one, good one. Really good one, really good one. Get that net. I got another one hitting my, oh my God. This is a good fish, dude. Can't get him that far. Yes, dude. Yes.
Just get a look so everybody can see the big fish right here.
Oh man, dude.
That is big fish. And if it's not, the guy who caught a bigger fish than that, you deserve it, buddy. You deserve it.
Thank you, God.
Yes, John.
I thought I missed that fish, dude. Beautiful, dude, beautiful. We need to upgrade one fish. One fish.
Call him out.
We need to call one. Good one. Good fish. Upgrade. I'm gonna call. This is a finesse game. Feels like. He's gonna call. He's gonna call. He's gonna call. Oh, he's really gonna call. Oh my God! It's another slab. I'm not even kidding. Oh my God, it's bigger than that other one, dude. Look
Really?
at it. Yep. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Come on, Johnny!
Look at that fish. Quality, boy. Quality. Alright, we're getting close to the end, guys. Luckily, we were able to call one fish with a giant. I don't know how it happened, but we caught two really good fish at this spot. We just beached the boat because the wind's ridiculous. You know, where the birds are over diving. Man, did it pay off. I mean, I don't know if we won or not, but we're looking pretty good. So let's see what happens. It's all because of this, really. If it wasn't for that hat. So, what a tournament that was. I am still surprised that we won. You know, I didn't go into the tournament thinking that we were going to win the tournament, but I did go in with some confidence, and I had confidence in the area we were fishing. Pre-fish didn't go really great, but I did catch some okay fish, so I had some confidence in the area, and I know it can produce some big fish. And man, those birds told us right where those fish were at, and if it wasn't for that, I don't think we would have won that tournament. You know, it came down to ounces. You know, it came down to what, 0.45 of a pound or something like that, and that's what won it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and man, there'll be a lot more videos to come. So hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.